Welcome to our cutting-edge keycard manufacturing line, designed to make custom keycards with incredible precision and quality at impressive speed. It all starts with high-definition digital printing on our HP Indigo press, letting us create vibrant, long-lasting graphics perfect for making custom cards quickly. Every card starts with perfect alignment. Our collation system automatically stacks and registers printed sheets and RFID layers with micron-level precision, the foundation for consistent quality. Once aligned, the stack moves into our high-pressure lamination unit, where intense heat and pressure fuse the layers into a durable, unified sheet designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Then comes precision cutting. Our punching system punches each keycard with exact dimensions and clean edges. The result? Perfect cards, ready to provide seamless access to an extraordinary stay. Our skilled team and cutting-edge equipment ensure your cards are delivered on time, every time with zero compromise on quality.